Hello everyone, Standard 8 Subject Maths, Chapter number 1, Rational Number Part 6. So in previous video we have solved some exercise 1.1 questions. Okay, so now we continue with the exercise 1.1 only. Fill in the blanks. Question number 11, fill in the blanks. First says 0 has blank reciprocal. So see, reciprocal it means we have to take a number and just inverse of that numbers. Okay, so 0 into 1 upon 0, and we know that any 0 cannot be in a denominator because it's a not defined. So we know that 0 has no reciprocal. No reciprocal. Okay, now the next one. The numbers blank and blank are their own reciprocals. It means, see, their own reciprocal, it means when you inverse it, you will get that numbers only. Okay, so take any other number. I am taking say 2 by 5. Okay, if I want to take a reciprocal, so 5 by 2, there are two different numbers. Okay, 2 by 5 and 5 upon 2, both have different number. Okay, so it means if I want to find a reciprocal of 2 by 5, I have to inverse it. Okay, so 2 by 5, it's not a own reciprocal. We cannot say that 5 by 2 is not their own reciprocal. Okay, so we want such a number. When you inverse it or take a reciprocal of it, you will get that number only. That is only, there are only two numbers. If you take 1, okay, and inverse of 1 upon 1, okay, again cut 1, you will get 1 only. Okay, it means when you take, if anything in a 1 upon 1, I will get 1 only. So the numbers that are 1 and minus 1, these two numbers only, they have all their reciprocals. Okay, now a reciprocal of x, 1 upon x, okay, where x cannot be equals to 0. We want to find the reciprocal of 1 upon x. If 1 upon x, okay, again we have to take the reciprocal of it, 1 upon x, and we know that denominator goes into the numerator. So what will I get over here? X na into 1. So the reciprocal of 1 upon x is nothing but x only. Okay, now the product of two rational numbers is always a, so the product of two rational numbers, you can take any number. Okay, 2 by 5, okay, and say 2 by 3. When you just product it, when you find the multiplication of, you will get rational number only. Okay, one more example. 2 by 5, I am taking 5 by 2. Okay, product it, answer is 1. 1 is also my rational number. Okay, because we know that in rational numbers, my whole natural number, whole numbers and integers are contained. Okay, so when the product of any two rational number, the resultant value I am getting as a rational number only. Rational number. Okay. The reciprocal of positive rational number is, okay, a reciprocal of positive rational number is, okay, if you take any number, I am taking say 3. Okay, so I have to take the inverse of it, it means 1 upon 3. My 3 is positive, so I have to take the positive reciprocal of that number only. Okay, so the reciprocal of positive number is always a positive. Okay, so first one says blank is the rational number whose denominator is 5 and numerator is -3. Oh, what is the denominator? 5. Denominator is 5 and numerator is -3. Okay, so -3 upon 5 is a rational number whose denominator is 5 and numerator is -3. Okay, now this next one, blank is a multiplicative identity. Blank is the multiplicative identity. So look at over here, don't get confused with multiplicative identity and multiplicative inverse. Okay, so identity, it means when you, if any number, when you multiply with that identical numbers, you will get the same number only. It means if I am taking number 2 and I multiply with some numbers, the resultant value should be equals to 2 only. We want the identical resultant value. Okay, so in multiplication we know that 1 is a multiplicative identity. Why? When you multiply 1 with any number, the resultant value you will get that number only. Okay, so 1 is multiplicative identity. Okay, now is additive identity. Okay, additive identity, the similar concept to the multiplication. When you take any number plus with some number, the resultant value I want as a my identical number only. It means if I am taking number 3, multiply, add with some numbers, the resultant value we want as a 3. So what we have to add in a 3 so that resultant value is 3? 0 na? So the 0 is additive identity. If the product of two numbers is 1, then they are see, the product of two numbers is equals to 1. When that happens, if both numbers are in proportion. If I am taking 3 and 1 upon 3, so 3 gets cancelled, the resultant value I am getting 1 only. If you take 2 by 5 and 5 by 2, so 5 get cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, so resultant value is 1 only. So the product of two number is 1, then they are reciprocal of each other's. Reciprocal of each other. If sum of two number is 0, then they are, if sum of two number, then they are, okay, if you take any number, okay, and you just write the opposite of that number, what will you get? 0 only. So the answer is opposite. Okay, opposite. So let's move towards to the remaining exercise. Now, exercise 1.1, the question number 5. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. Okay, we have to name the property. Okay, so the first one says -4 upon 5 into 1 equals to 1 into -4 upon 5. commutative property. So in that property we have seen that when A into B is equals to B into A only, here is minus 4 upon 5 into 1 is equals to minus 4 upon 5. Okay, when you interchange this place, I am getting minus 4 upon 5 only. The answer will remain same. Okay, so you have to write the name only. Which property are we going to use over here? That is a commutative property. Now, again, one more, the third one. So the third one says minus 19 upon 29 into 29 upon minus 19 equals to 1. Now look at over here. Take a number, take a reciprocal of it, and the resultant value is equals to 1. The resultant is equals to 1. So, which property are we going to use it over here? It's nothing but a multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse, the resultant value I am getting is 1 only, or you can say reciprocal of it. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. Okay. Now, the second question is homework. Okay. Now, move towards to the question number 6. Question number 6 says multiply 6 by 13 by reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. Observe the question. The question says multiply 6 upon 13 by reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. So the solution, multiply 6 upon 13 by whom? Reciprocal of this one. Reciprocal of this one is nothing but interchanging its place. So reciprocal of that one is nothing but 16 upon minus 7. Yes. So we know that. Let's see. Reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16 is 16 upon minus 7. Now, just multiply that one. So the answer is minus 96 upon 91. That is the answer. Now, the question number 7. Tell Now, the question number 8. Is 8/9 multiplicative inverse of is 8/9 is multiplicative inverse of mixed fraction 1/8. Okay. Why or why not? We have to answer why or why not. Okay. Is 8/9 is a multiplicative inverse? Okay. Now let's if everything is given in a mixed fraction, so first we just write in a proper fraction forms. Okay. So here my 8 1/8. Okay. So 8 ones are 8 plus 1. Okay. So minus 8 plus 1/8. So I am getting over here minus 7/8. 7/8 is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse it means inverse of A. Multiplicative inverse is nothing but A into 1/8. The resultant is 1. That is the answer. Okay. So now look at over here. Is 8/9 is multiplicative inverse of this one? Multiplicative inverse of this one. So when you multiply 8/9 and is multiplicative inverse of this one, it means you just have to write like minus 7/8. The resultant value here is minus 7/9. It's not equals to 1. So answer is no. Answer is no. Okay. Now let's move towards to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 says, is 0.3 a multiplicative inverse of 3 into 1/3? Okay. So the question number 9 is exactly similar to the question number 8 only. So the question number 9 is in your homework. Question number 9 is also in your homework. Now, question number 10, write one word questions. Name question number 10. First one. Name the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Okay. A rational number that does not have reciprocal, that is only 1, 0. Okay. The rational number that are equal to their reciprocals. Okay, we have already seen in a blank 1 and minus 1. That's only 2. So the rational number that is equal to its negative. A rational number that is equal to its negative. Okay, that is 0 only. Okay, negative of 0, that is 0 only. Okay, so here we just okay. Let's solve one extra questions. Let A, B, C are any rational numbers where A is 2/3, B is 4/5, C is -4/5. multiplication. Look at the word verify. Verify, it means we have to check whether my left hand side is equal to the right hand side or not. Here we can use check or else verify. The meanings are same. It means we have to check whether the left hand side is equal to the right hand side or not. So the solution for the first one, okay, so first one is a plus b plus c bracket a plus b plus c. Okay, now put the values. So instead of putting values, taking the left hand side, we have to check whether my left hand side is equal to the right hand side or not. So the left hand side is a plus b plus c. Okay, so my a is 2 by 3, b is 4 by 5, and c is minus 5 by 6. Okay, so 2 by 3, first solve the bracket. So 4 by 5 minus 5 by 6. Okay, so 2 by 3 plus, here denominator is not same, so we have to take the LCM. So 6 5s are 30 is my LCM. Okay, so 24 minus 25. Okay, because LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. Now solve this one. 2 by 3 plus third, what left is minus 1 upon 30. So 2 by 3 minus 1 upon 30. Again take LCM. LCM 3 and 30. 3 and 30. That is 30 only. 30 only. So now, so we have to make the 30 over here. It means 20 multiplied with the 10 only, minus 1 divided with the 30. So I am getting 19 upon 30. So while I am just solving the left hand side, I am getting 19 upon 30. Now similarly, take the right hand side part and put all these values whether I am getting the same resultant value or not. So the a plus b first plus c. Okay. So my a is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 plus minus 5 by 6. Okay. Now, so first solving this one. So again LCM is 30. Sorry, LCM is 50. 3 and 5. LCM is 50. Okay. Now, 2 are 10, 12. Minus 5 by 6. 22 by 50. 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Now, again, take the LCM. LCM I am getting over here is nothing but 30 only. 30. LCM is 30. You can write over here LCM 15 and 6 equals to 30. Okay. So to make this one is 30, it means we have to multiply with 2 because 15 is 30. So the 44. Okay. So here 30 we have to make 19 upon 30 only. So hence left hand side is equals to my right hand side. Okay. So first one is verify that both are equal value. Now prove for the second one. The second one, here minus 1, denominator 3 and 1. So I am getting minus 2 by 3. Okay. Again, just solve this one. Minus 4 upon 9 is the answer. Now take the right hand side part. Right hand side part is A into B into C. Now put this values 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into minus 5 by 6. Okay, nothing is common. So just 8 by 50 into minus 5 by 6. So 50, 5 3s are 50. So 3 left. Now 4 2s are 8, 6. Then 3 2s are 2 gets cancelled. Again this one over here. So I am getting minus 4 upon 9. So hence prove that left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Hence my left hand side is equals to right hand side.